Okay, children, the time is 5:30. Woo! All right, let's begin lesson. All right, so there's a question coming in from Caleb later. All right, so I will be answering his question. So what happened is he has one question that he doesn't understand. So I asked him to take a picture and send it to this number. So children, just so that you know, right, this is the math hotline. Right.
Mr. Bun, I'll read
Yes.
it out. Joyce had 3 times as many stamps as Ben.
Can you, okay, is there a problem in taking a picture? Can you take a picture of the question and send it to me? Please, it will be easier. Can, Caleb?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. All right, so as I was saying, hello, Shiloh, are you there? All right, so as I was saying, right, children, this is the math hotline. This is the math hotline. All right, so children, I need some things from you. All right, I need some information from you. Okay, so if you know your exam timetable, your math end of year, all right, if you know your math end of year timetable, all right, can you please inform me? All right, when is your math end of year? The exam. All right, if you know it, let me know. For example, Caleb tells me it's at 19th of October. All right, if you know, let me know, please. All right, so if you can also, all right, maybe your school haven't released the date to you. All right, you can actually send the information to this number. All right, I'm holding this number. What is the meaning of week 7? So week 7 is which week? Because right, your week 7 and my week 7 is different. Just to let you know. All right, so week 7 is which week? So I need to know that. Hello, Anne. Oh, you're eating noodles. Nice. Okay, continue eating. That's cute. All right, so to Anne and to those who just comes in, right? Vanish Navi, are you there? Yeah. I need to know when is your math end of year date. All right, hello Jane. All right, so I need to know when is your math end of year date. If you have the date, right, can you please let me know the exact date? Go to the chat and key in the date. And you don't know, it's okay, don't worry. All right, your teacher will let you know this few days. All right, within this 1 week or so, your teacher will let you know. All right, and when you know your exam date, right, can you ask your daddy and mommy to message me? All right, so this is actually the math hotline. All right, don't worry. All right, if your daddy and mommy forget, right, don't worry. Next week, I will ask the same question again. All right, I just want to know when is your exam date. Can? All right, and just to let you know that this is the math hotline. All right, so you can actually message me if you need to. All right, so I think Caleb got one question that he don't understand. All right, so he's trying to message me the picture now. Then we can all discuss together. That will be great also. Can? All right, so children, are you ready for today's lesson? Woo! Varishnavi, are you there? Are you in your cool sunglasses? Oh my goodness, she looks so good. Shiloh, can you please on your video? Ruben, also please on your video. Thank you so much. All right, okay, come, let's go into our first part of the lesson, which is to answer the homework from last week. Remember this homework? All right, any one of you did it? All right, Ruben, you can't on your video, is it? It's okay. All right, just try to ensure that the next week you can try to on your video, can? Shiloh, can you on your video if you can? All right, this question was the homework from last week. Yes, Caleb got it already. Wow, Caleb, you're fast. All right, I think he noted it down. All right, so this was the question that was your homework from last week. All right, those of you who haven't tried, right, you want to give it a try? All right, Caleb already gave me the answer already. Can I have another student to give me the answer? Kelson, room is 15 meter. Here, we are still on area and perimeter. 15 meter by 10 meter. That's his length and the breadth. A carpet measuring what? 10 meter by 6 meter. So down here is like 10 meter by 6 meter. Right? The carpet is 10 meter by 6 meter is placed in the center. What is the area of the room not covered by the carpet? Which is what? Which means the what? Which means the white color portion. Not covered, All right, which means the white portion. White portion. How do you find the area of the white portion? All right, that's the question. That's the question. How do you find the area of the white portion? All right, so Caleb already gave me the answer. All right, the rest, can you please try? It's very simple. All right, it's very simple. Vanishnami, you just woke up, ma. Ayo, can you wash yourself? Go and wash your face a bit, can? Yeah, okay. Right, Jane, are you there? Oh, Ruben, yes, boy power. Caleb and Ruben got it. And you got the one step, correct? You got the inside down here. Smart. You got the carpet. All right. So N actually gives me the working area of carpet here. So the area of carpet is simply 10 times 6. That's what she say. And it's 60 meters squared. Smart. All right. But again, the question is not looking for the area. Yes, Shiloh. Yes, beautiful. All right. So I got 3 answers already. The answer is 90. Thank you, Shiloh. Thank you, Caleb. And thank you, Ruben. All right. So how to continue? Just to let you know, how to continue. All right. You can actually find the area of the entire room. All right. So the area of the room. Area of the room. The entire room is what? 15 times 10. Remember, anything times 10, you just put a 0 at the back. Woo! Okay, so the entire room is 150. The carpet is 60. So what do you do, children? What do you do? How do you find the white color portion? All right, you simply just take the area of the room, which is 150, minus away the area of the carpet, which is 60. Do you understand, children? All right, and that will give you a 90 meter square. That's how they do it. All right, and children, this type of question very, very popular. Please put a star down there. Teacher usually will ask one. Can understand our children? All right, you find the area of the entire room, the whole thing, which is 150. You find the area of the carpet, which is 60. So you take the area of the room minus the area of the carpet is to find the white color portion. Is that okay? Okay, huh? All right. Shiloh, are you able to on your camera? Is your camera having a problem? Avon, welcome to lesson. Can you please on your video? Whoa, nice. Shiloh, you clip your head up today, is it? Very neat, very nice. Right. I also need a haircut, you know. Right. My wife always say that my hair looks like a coconut.
Coconut.
Hey, not funny lah. You look bad. Who laugh at me, Jane? Yeah, my hair always look like a coconut. So every time, right, I go to the K cut for the $10 or $12 cut, right? Yeah. So they'll ask me what I want. Correct. So I always tell them I want it light and short. Right, because Singapore is too warm. Yeah, but now it's raining. I love rain. Hey, hello, Evan. Nice to see you. Wow, looking good. Looking very good. All right, so this was the question from last week. All right, the homework from last week. Okay, answer is 90. Okay, so Evan, just to let you know, Evan. All right, just now I gave the class my math hotline number. All right, so this number 89330213 is the math hotline of 88 Tuition. All right, so if you have any crazy question, all right, that you need help, you can actually message me. I will try my best to help you as you can. All right, and also if you know your math exam timetable, all right, your math end of year timetable, all right, can you please let me know when is the date? All right, please let me know when is the date if you know. Is that okay? Right, you can go to the chat and type it in, or you can just message me at this number. All right, if you have a phone. If not, you can ask your daddy and mommy, message me. Hello, Wen-Sing. All right, let's move into the extra question of today. All right, so remember, last week we did what? We did, 2 weeks ago, we did perimeter. Last week we did area. And today, right, we will be covering more questions involving area and perimeter. So children, this area and perimeter is the last topic in your syllabus. Next week, right? Next week, we'll be doing the what? Preparation for your end of year exam. All right, we'll be doing some revision paper. All right, so this revision paper, right, we'll have things like problem sums, we'll have things like multiple choice, we'll have things like short answer question. All right, it's ultimately to get you ready for your end of year exam. Okay? All right, so today, right, the area and perimeter is the third lesson. Okay, so remember 2 weeks ago, I draw this. This is the notes, right? Perimeter means the outline or the outside. You have the plus, 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 plus. You try to walk in one direction. All right. And area is the what? Area is the inside. For a square, I call it length times length because it's the same side. The length is the same. And the area of rectangle is length times breadth. Length means what? Length long, length long. All right. And I told you about these twins and triplets number. Try to remember them because it's going to be very useful and helpful to you in future. Trust me. All right. So usually for every lesson, I'll start off with one extra exam question. Again, this question, right, is picked up from one of the school. I don't know. I just copy and paste. Cut and paste one question for you guys. All right. To just let you have a feel of what the question may look like. All right. Can you please try this question, children? All right. Can all of you please try this question? A and B. All right. Go to the chat and write in the answer. Wen-Xin, can you please on your video when you're ready? Thank you so much. Vanishnavi, your answer for A is incorrect. But thanks for trying. Thanks for trying. But can you please try again? All right, the rest can try. Okay, this is an extra question from other school one. So I just copy. Okay, very, very popular kind of question. Okay, must know. So let me draw in the line out here. Maybe it's not clear. All right, so the water level is up to here, this red color portion here. Okay, this is the water level up to here. Right, the water level up to here. Okay, so how much is the total volume of A and B, the water inside? Oh, Ruben. All right, you almost got it. Chuen, yes, Chuen got it. Wow, Chuen got it. Yes, Avon also got it. Good job. Vanishnavi, no. Thanks for trying. Ruben, no. All right, but you are almost there. All right, so we got two students got it already. No, Ruben, you must try again. Try to read again. All right, so Chuen and Avon got it already. Thank you so much, Chuen and Avon. All right, Ruben, no. Yep, please try again. All right, can try Vanishnavi, Shiloh. All right, Jane, you can just try also. All right, so what is the total volume of water in A and B? Avon, your B answer is not correct. N, how can it be only? Oh, N is giving the answer for A. Very good. And your answer down here is 300 is correct. Right, but they want to find what? Total means everything. Means that you have to find out here also N. All right, so N like to do things step by step. So her 300 is actually down here. That's correct. All right, so why is it 300? All right, look down here. There is like 1 interval, 2 interval, 3 interval, 4 interval. Then down here is the 500. Okay, this is the 500. All right, and down here is actually the 0. All right, so if you can make a little guess, right? Down here, it has to be fair, right? So down here has to be 100, 200, 300, and 400. All right, that's how N got the 300 ml. Is correct. Okay, but how to find the other one? Oh, Shiloh, you got it. Yes. Good job. All right, very good. Got 3 students got it already. All right, so children, the other one is a little bit more challenging. All right, let's take a look. All right, because the interval is a little bit different. So this is the 1 liter, and this is the 2 liter. All right, and in the center, right? In the center, right? There is the what? There is the 1 interval here, or 1 gap, 2 gap, 3 gap, 4 gap, and 5 gap. Can you see not? Okay. So usually what do? I will change the 1 liter to what? I'll change the 1 liter to 1000 ml first. All right. I'll change the 2 liter to 2000 ml first. How do I do that? Because I know the conversion. 1 liter is actually equal to 1000 milliliter. Do you remember the conversion? All right. We learned about this under the topic of measures. All right. Measures. Measures, we talk about mass. We talk about volume. Remember? Yep. Okay, so children, what is one of these? What is one of these? Look, right, from here to here, right? What's